What is up, guys? My name is Ari here, and in this video we're going to be having a look at Arbitrum. The market has been pumping on this beautiful Thursday morning. Things have been going fantastic. ARB is up 14% in the last 24 hours right here, entering the price discovery mode as I expected. If you guys remember my last two videos on ARB, I said that this thing is about to go parabolic and to get in now. My last two videos were around $1.30 and $1.70, and things have been exploding. Now, what a lot of people don't understand about Arbitrum and why it's exploding, first of all, you need to understand that when Ethereum explodes, Arbitrum will explode as well because it's a layer 2. Number 2 is that the TVL on ARB is insane, guys. Arbitrum is sitting at number 4 right here, and it's only a layer 2, sitting at $2.61 billion in total value locked. So whether it's staking, liquid provider, it doesn't matter what it is, they have over $2.5 billion locked, which is obviously crazy. They are about to surpass a layer 1 blockchain, which is currently Binance Smart Chain right here. And of course, will they essentially pass Tron TRX ecosystem right here, sitting at 8 billion? Maybe not, but you guys can see right here that this thing has been absolutely going parabolic right here in the past 14 days. I mean, we could see Arbitrum right here in the past 14 days so it started at $1.50 and now it's currently sitting at $2.29. Now, this is literally just the beginning, in my opinion. A lot of people think that there's, it's too late. The market cap is already $3 billion. It's overvalued. It's, top 30 coin or almost a top 30 coin. That's it. Arbitrum's not going to pump anymore. Guys, this thing can still do 10, even 20x in my opinion. I think that Arbitrum, we will see a 30, 40, even $50 billion market cap in the next bull market. Okay, now none of this is financial advice. Obviously, you guys should always do your own research and due diligence, but this is what I think will happen. We're also going to be having a look at a Bitcoin TA before diving into an Arbitrum technical analysis, but I do want to have a look right here at my BNB trade. My copy traders, in fact, are up $2,642, up 61%. Now, of course, that depends on how much you put in. You have traders who put in 30, 40, even $60,000, so they could be up way more than me. Okay, so you guys can see right here that on FairDesk, my link will be in the description below. You could get up to a $100,000 bonus worth of trading bonuses, and of course, you could go ahead and copy my trades. You don't have to do anything. Everything will be done automatically for you. So going back into Arbitrum real quick, you guys can see traded at $2.29, market cap right under $3 billion. The volume is literally crazy. $2.3 billion is the volume right here, which is insane. Now, a lot of people are saying that the tokenomics are absolute crap on Arbitrum. Now, of course, a lot of people don't know what they're saying, but of course, I understand there's going to be a massive token unlock for ARB in March. 2 billion tokens approximately will be unlocked. A lot of people think that there's going to be a massive sell rumor. 1.1 billion, will be unlocked. A lot of people think this is going to be crazy, etc. But you guys know what happened to Solana when they had a massive team unlock. I mean, this thing just kept on pumping and pumping and pumping and pumping. So the same pretty much happens right here. Obviously, I need to sign in. I'm not currently signed in, but obviously, guys, that when you see these team unlocked, yes, it could be caused as FUD. It could be caused as panic. A lot of people could be scared, but in my opinion, they have a little effect in the long-term market. Okay, we're entering right now a crypto bull cycle, super cycle bull market. We got ETFs happening. Billions of dollars are supposed to be entering the crypto market today. We got 11 spot ETFs that were approved. So obviously, we're about to see a lot of money flowing, not only into Bitcoin, but to altcoins as well. So first of all, having a look at Bitcoin, I do want to start with Bitcoin on the weekly time frame, because Bitcoin on the weekly time frame is having its first ever golden cross right here. So we can see that this is a massive golden cross. Okay, now we never had golden cross before. Why? Because Bitcoin hasn't been around for that long, and every time we really retested the 200 moving average, we usually exploded, right? So every time we came back and retested the 200 moving average, exploded, came back, exploded, boom, exploded. Of course, we came for the first time ever below the 200 moving average. That's when we essentially enter the bull market. So the 50 moving average was always trending above the 200 moving average, literally in the past couple of weeks, or in the past couple of weeks, in the past 10 years, it's always been trending above. And now, of course, we are about to see our first gold cross right here, which is in fact very, very bullish because we have never seen that 15 EMA going up. Now, that's the quick update on Bitcoin. If we do break 50K on Bitcoin, we could see massive, massive news. Now, of course, this is a very, very important support right here, sitting at 48,300. And of course, this one right here, 52,000, is probably the most crucial and important level for Bitcoin. We already got rejected one time right here, exactly at this previous resistance right here, as you guys can see. Now, this resistance is huge. A lot of people don't understand how big this resistance is. This is when we had this dead cat bounce right here in the last bull market. So we came back down, popped back up, got rejected, and that's when everything started. That's when the bear market started. That's when Bitcoin literally went from 52,000 all the way to $16,000 in matter of weeks. So obviously this resistance right here is very, very important, and we're gonna have to see if Bitcoin can not only break above this resistance but close above it on the weekly time frame. Now, we could see right here on the right side of my screen that the weekly time frame does close in 3 days and 14 hours. So it's going to be very, very interesting to see what happens in the next couple of hours, obviously, and pretty much that's about it. In the next couple of days, sorry, and that's about it. So having a look right here at Arbitrum, a coin that a lot of people have been essentially not really talking about, but a coin that I've been really, really bullish on. And this thing literally all my portfolio in the past couple of weeks. If you would have gone into Arbitrum right here sitting at 79 cents, you would have been up 200%. Now, a lot of you might be asking, wait, 200%? This parabolic pump only did 200%? Guys, for something that's almost guaranteed to pump 10, 20, 30x, 200% is pretty great because you got massive people, or a lot of people with a lot of money who invested millions of dollars right here, and there are millions of dollars, obviously. So that's number one. Number two, when we break a very important resistance level right here, as you guys can see, Arbitrum peaked an all-time high back in 2023 on April 3rd. That was an all-time high, and of course we got rejected, and that's when the price of ARB went from all the way from 172 to essentially 70. When we break these things, we usually go into price discovery mode. Now, when there's price discovery mode in a bull market is probably crazy. Price discovery mode is when there's literally no resistance, everything is bullish, and we just keep on going up, going up, going up. Now, a lot of say, oh, I think that by January, Arbitrum should go to $2. We already by the middle of January, not even the end of January, we're already the middle of January, and we could see that ARB sitting at $2.28, and January is not even over yet. Now, historically, we know that 2024 will be very, very bullish, and that's about it. So right now we are seeing a nice little pullback on ARB. In my opinion, nothing to worry about, nothing too crazy. I really, really like this consolidation pullback here on ARB. Things are looking pretty good. I wouldn't even be surprised if we come back right here and retest $2. I actually don't think that Arbitrum will go back below $2 ever again, or at least in this bull market that we're currently witnessing right now. I don't think we're going to see that. But of course, guys, this is not financial advice whatsoever. This is only, my opinion, my thoughts. I don't think Arbitrum will see massive, massive corrections with a TVL lock sitting at almost $3 billion is literally crazy. So that's what's happening right here. Having a look at the stock RSI right here on the 1 hour time frame, we could see that every time we are oversold on the stock RSI, we usually have mega pumps, as you guys can see right here. So we were oversold at this area. That's when Arbitrum literally took it from $1.90 all the way up to $2.36. Now we are just consolidating, and guess what's happening? Arbitrum is oversold as area. So can we see another pump? Obviously very possible. We were oversold right here, guys, on the stock RSI. As you guys can see, we peaked all the way down below 20. Guess what happened? Arbitrum took it from all the way to $1.60 to essentially $1.92. Okay, another time when we were oversold right here, sitting at 160, and took it again to $1.90. So these could be fantastic trading opportunities if you guys are a trader. Now, me personally, yes, I like to trade, but things like KDA, Arbitrum, things that I like to hold for the long term, I don't like to trade. I like to trade coins that I really don't hold for the long term to accumulate these Arbitrum and my long-term portfolio essentially. So if Ethereum keeps on pumping, we could see a massive pump from Arbitrum. Obviously, we are seeing Arbitrum pump a little bit, and that's because Ethereum is attempting to break out of this level right here. So we're going to have to see what happens to Ethereum. Keep an eye on ETH, keep an eye on ARB, because these two right here will fly this upcoming bull market. And that's about it. So that is my video on ARB, guys. I think we're going to see massive returns on ARB. I'm very excited, guys, for Arbitrum. And also, before I finish this video, of course, you guys can see right here that XAI is a cryptocurrency sitting on the Arbitrum ecosystem. It's a layer 3 crypto that could potentially explode. This is a low cap coin sitting under 200 million, and I really think that XAI will essentially explode. I will be making a video about this later on, either tomorrow or this week. But that's it for today. If you guys like this video, of course, don't forget to smash the subscribe button, leave a like, turn those notification bells on so you guys